Alright, cool. Then let's go to Akatsuki. And let's put him back in this place. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's do this. Yes. Build hope. Build hope. That's what I need.
What do you mean build hope?
So I can crush it. So I can crush it.
You act like you're crushing my spirit, but you're not.
Alright, he has the thing. Oh shit, come on. I forgot he had a counter.
Ooh.
I fucking knew he was just gonna press the fucking button. Boing! Oh shit.
What the fuck? Why did it?
Watch this.
He's gonna.
Boing! He's gonna. Yeah, exactly. I know I'm gonna do it. It's just when am I gonna do it? Alright, here we go. Oh wait, it's like this.
What? What's up? Like this.
Oh, don't you do it?
Oh.
Yeah. Don't jump. He didn't jump, at least. I'm gonna do it again. And then not. And then do it again. Oh shit.
Sorry.
I'm gonna do the EX version.
What the fuck?
Okay. I did the EX version. Oh shit, you know, I should do the 1, 2, 3 thing. Jump and then DX-tatsu! Oh shit. Drink. Akatsuki wins. Wait, what's 3 times 16? Shit. The 50. Oh, 3. Oh, right, it's 18. Okay. Alright. I just need to confirm something. Nothing. I'm waiting for it. Ah, shit. Whew. Okay then.
What?
Switch it up? Alright, cool. It's forward right on front. It's forward. Damn, as soon as he started playing more carefully, I've somehow as soon as you started playing more carefully, it's more easier to read you. Like, no, it's not that. It's just that I encounter so many players like you. I mean, it's already easy to read you since ever, but like, this makes it so much more easier. Cause like, yeah.
Trying your best, okay? Doing my best.
Yeah, no, because you're playing your best. It's like, yeah, now I'm expecting what I need to expect.
I'm trying, learning, slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. Okay, wow, 2 more matches.
Yep. Ah, fuck, that's not a button yet.
Winner, Akatsuki, second close, divide.
Oh, honestly, I'm liking the setup now. I like the space. I like the space better.
This one. Yeah. The wrong one. Please. And wait for it. Oh. There it is.
There it is.
Click and wait for it.
Yeah. I mean, look, here's the thing. If you know it's coming, then you really do need to, instead of waving around, pressing buttons, and just going all over around me, you should really be careful.
Either way, I was gonna lose.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You could always do the comeback.
Do you really expect me to do a comeback?
Yeah. Believe in yourself. I could fuck up anyway.
Yeah, but do you really believe I can come back?
Well, probably. The probability exists. You can't deny it exists.
The probability is there.
Oh, okay, that was bad on me for...
Oh. Ooh, no legs. Forward. Oh.
Actually, no. It's this one, right? It's not that one. Yeah, it is that one. No.
Akatsuki セカンドクローズリバイド
Yeah.
Try your best, don't succeed.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.